Yo, what's up, entrepreneurs? Instagram isn't just for selfies anymore. It's a powerful tool for building your brand and making serious cash. Forget the old school ways of making money. Instagram is the new hustle. So buckle up, because I'm about to break down how you can turn your Instagram account into a money-making machine. Let's go. First things first, why Instagram? It's simple. Instagram is where the people are. With over 1 billion active users, it's a goldmine for reaching your target audience. Instagram is all about visually captivating content, perfect for showcasing your brand. No other platform makes it this easy to build a community and turn your passion into profit. So, if you're ready to ditch the 9-to-5 grind, Instagram is the place to be. Alright, let's get down to the good stuff. Making that money. Here are 10 proven ways to monetize your Instagram. 1. Become an affiliate marketer. Partner with brands and promote their products to your followers. 2. Sell your own products. Got a killer product or service? Showcase it to the world. 3. Sponsored posts and shoutouts. Get paid to feature brands' products to your engaged audience. 4. Instagram shopping. Turn your feed into a virtual storefront. 5. IGTV ads. Create engaging video content and monetize it with ads. 6. Instagram live badges. Go live and let followers show support by purchasing badges. 7. Offer online courses and workshops. Share your knowledge and skills. 8. Become an influencer marketing consultant. Help businesses navigate influencer marketing. 9. Sell your photos and videos. Sell your stunning visuals directly through Instagram. 10. Drive traffic to your website or blog. Use Instagram to drive traffic where you can monetize further. Remember, these are just a few ways to make money on Instagram. The key is to find what works best for you, your brand, and your audience. Section 4. Building your Insta empire. Tips for growth. First, find your niche and become an expert in that area. Second, post visually appealing photos and videos. Third, post regularly and consistently. Fourth, respond to comments, answer DMs, and engage with your followers. Fifth, use a mix of popular and niche-specific hashtags. And finally, team up with other creators for collaborations and shoutouts. Building a loyal following takes time and effort. Stay consistent, keep providing value, and watch your Instagram empire grow. Section 5. Insta Success Stories. Real people, real money. Don't just take my word for it. There are countless success stories of everyday people who have turned their Instagram accounts into profitable businesses. Take who grew her Instagram into a multi-million-dollar online business. Or a media company that built its brand on Instagram by sharing entrepreneurial advice. Real people with real passions are building real businesses and making real money on Instagram. Section 6. Your time to shine. Take action now. Listen up, entrepreneurs. The opportunity is right in front of you. Instagram is a powerful platform that can transform your life and your bank account. But here's the thing, knowledge is useless without action. You've got the tools. Now it's time to take action. Start small. Start today. Create that account, post that first photo, and start building your Instagram empire. Now go out there, crush it on Instagram, and show the world what you're made of. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, smash that like button, and share this video. Let's build this movement together.